In this video, I'm going to talk about Enquiry Attributes and how you can use them to improve your business processes. Let's start with the basics. What is an attribute? When you create an inquiry using the Find and Add widget, you can capture extra information about that inquiry. These pieces of information, selected from predefined picklists, are called attributes. Why are attributes important? Attributes can be used in two powerful ways: to drive business processes, guiding how inquiries are handled or prioritized; for reporting and analysis, helping you understand trends, measure performance, and optimize your marketing spend. Now, there are three types of attributes you'll come across. First, source. This helps you to understand where the inquiry originated and the success of any marketing campaigns. Second, business attributes. These are used to capture information about the company or account, essentially who the customer is. Third, enquiry attributes. These focus on the inquiry itself, the specific opportunity you're trying to win. Understanding the difference helps you collect the right information at the right time, so you can tailor your approach and improve your chances of success. In Builders Excellence, we have created some attributes to help you get started. Here is a table that shows the attributes available for each area. When an inquiry is created, these attributes are used in the Find and Add widget and saved in the inquiry. The source and business attributes are also saved in the related lead for new customers, or the related account for existing customers. This means you can use these attributes to analyze your customers and inquiries, or use the value selected to drive your business process. For example, do the inquiries that are generated via different sources or in different regions get allocated to different people? Let's go to the inquiry record to see these attribute values. If you cancel an inquiry, the reason canceled attribute will appear. If you click on the Source tab, you will see the source attributes. These values are captured under the inquiry, but the source is also captured under the account. If a customer returns at a later date with a new inquiry, from the account we'll know the original source. From the inquiry, click on the Related Records tab. Select Accounts in the left navigation and open the account record. This is a private account, so the only attributes displayed are the region, client type, and account size. Below you can see the source attributes. If we change the client type to a business option, the industry field appears to help you understand your business-to-business relationships. If the business industry is a trade or service, when you select this option, a list of trades and services appear. If we set this back to a private client, these values will be removed and hidden, as they are only applicable to businesses. If your inquiry is related to a lead, go to the leads and you will see the same attribute options. Again, if you update the client type to a business option, the business attributes for industry and trade type will appear. Once your lead is converted, these values will be copied into the account record. All these attributes are managed under the module and global data sets. Click on Settings and go to Modules and Fields. Open the Inquiry module and find one of the field names. We will search for Source. To help you find fields quickly, you can use Ctrl F and type the field name in. You will see the field is called Inquiry Source. If you want to rename the field in the Inquiry module, edit the field name here. Let's rename this field to Source of Inquiry. If you click on the ellipsis and select Edit Properties to view the options, you will see this drop-down is linked to global data sets. Using the list called Source, watch the Managing Global Data Sets for more information. Let's save our field name changes and exit the module. You can repeat this process for any attribute field under each of the modules where the field is used. This includes the lead, account, and inquiry, but also includes the transaction records like proposals, contracts, invoices, and jobs. The inquiry attributes are copied to the related records to help you analyze your business transactions. To help you understand where an attribute is used, go to Global Data Sets. In here, all the attributes are listed with the related modules. You can rename these fields under the relevant modules. Let's go to the Find and Add widget. I'm going to create a new inquiry for an existing customer. When I get to the inquiry details, you will see the source field is now displaying my new field name. Plus, the account attributes have been pre-populated with the existing customer information. If you want to capture a different source for returning customers, you can modify the source the enquiry from here. The original source will be retained under the account record, but each enquiry can capture a unique source for that opportunity. Using the modules to customize your attribute names and the global datasets to change the drop-down values. The Find and Add widget will automatically update to reflect the changes. Using the information captured by the attributes, you can generate valuable reports on sales opportunities and revenue to drive your marketing strategies or business processes. To find out how to make your enquiry attributes dynamic, watch the Using Taxonomy for Attributes video.